What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So with that all being said, we're taking a look at Polygon here, and as you can see, it does look as though we have been stuck under this resistance here, basically since the start of time. No, I'm just kidding. It's basically since we had the big correction on the 19th of May here. Polygon was absolutely ripping, wasn't it? And then obviously the huge correction that we saw for Polygon basically saw us come all the way down to around 75 cents here, which is absolutely insane, considering that we're at $2.70 here. But this big bounce to the upside, and ever since then we've been rolling over, haven't we? We've flipped bearish on our EMAs on the daily time frame here, but it does look as though we are getting pretty damn oversold. And obviously it looks as though we are forming somewhat of a descending triangle here. And sooner or later, we are obviously going to have to make a decision if we break to the downside. I mean, you could say the descending triangle is something like this. And then we'll make the decision a bit further down the line. But currently, we're not seeing much evidence that Polygon is actually going to break to the upside. We've basically been rolling over and rolling over here, haven't we? We're still holding this support at around $1, but it seems quite likely that if Bitcoin obviously starts to roll over again, we will lose this support and probably come back to retest previous levels, maybe at around this 92, 93 cent area here, or coming down to this 85 cent or 75 cent areas, which we previously came down to on the first dump. So obviously things not looking that great for Polygon right now, and the volume has been incredibly low. And it has been decreasing basically over the past few weeks. I think a lot of people are getting bored. They're losing interest in crypto because obviously everything's been chopping sideways and slowly rolling over and going down. Everyone's saying that we're in a bear market, which we'd just like to confirm that we don't think is actually the case. Obviously, you can see for Polygon here, we haven't even retested the 20 moving average yet on our uptrend. So pretty obvious in our opinion that there's no bear market yet from what we can see anyway. But if we just take a quick look at the hourly time frame here, we can see that we have been retesting this $1 level a bunch of times here as support, and it has looked very strong. But obviously the more times that you test the support, the more chance it has of breaking. And if Bitcoin does roll over, we do anticipate that Polygon is going to roll over here at least to this 90 cent-ish area, maybe even down all the way down to 85 cents or 75 cents, depending on how much Bitcoin does roll. But from what we're seeing, Bitcoin is basically about to get the bounce, isn't it? On the MACD, on the RSI, and on the actual price action, you can see that Bitcoin is actually starting to, turn bullish again. On the stochastic RSI as well, you can go check all these indicators out. It's pretty obvious on Bitcoin's chart that it is starting to bottom out from what we can see. Pretty much the MACD, the stock RSI, the normal RSI, and the price action itself is all showing that the bottom is most likely in for Bitcoin now, considering that it's lost all of its momentum to the downside now. And the RSI looks like it's poised for a really nice breakout. And obviously if we get that, then we're expecting a big move to the upside for Polygon. Football's coming home today for England, and I am English, so I will be watching the game later. So I'll be keeping the videos quite short today. But as you can see, there's not really much to talk about today anyway. It does seem as though the volume over the past few days, you can see, is extremely low here. We've not really had many big movements at all recently, and this is just probably the part of the reason why we're not getting much movement to the upside, is because there's not a lot of volume in general. I think quite a lot of people have lost interest in cryptos currently, as we said, and because of this, we're basically looking at very boring price action in general, which is what we've been seeing. So Everyone's getting a bit bored, aren't they? It's a bit boring, it's a bit sideways, but obviously you do have to have periods like this before you can have big run-ups again. And you can see quite clearly how crazy overbought we probably were. I mean, look at the RSI here on the weekly time frame. It's absolutely, I mean, it's almost 100. It's 96, 97, like almost 98. Like, this is the most overbought chart I think I've ever seen. It's absolutely insane when you look at it, isn't it? And obviously we needed that cooling off period. And as you can see on the weekly time frame, we just are having a bit of a breather here, coming back down to the middle of the chart before we could have potentially another big run up to hit some of those targets that we're all looking for. Obviously $10 per Matic is one thing that we have been saying, and we do think that's very possible by the end of the bull run, which is probably in the next 6 to 8 months, depending on how long the cycle lasts. Obviously there is a theory for lengthening cycles, which we do think has a lot of credence, especially with this big cooling off period in the middle of the cycle. We could potentially be looking at, you know, a bit more sideways chop for a few months, and then a big parabolic move to the upside to basically see some of those final price targets before the bear market. So it does seem likely to us that, you know, things are going to be fine. Polygon's looking good. In the short term, it's really difficult to know, especially with this incredibly low volume, but obviously do anticipate that we could break down from here. We have been rolling over and retesting these levels again and again, and it's very likely that we will roll over from this level if we do see Polygon continue to roll over and Bitcoin leads the market down. But if Bitcoin starts to get the bounce, we could potentially come up and break out of this resistance that we've been stuck under. And if that was the case, then obviously you'd like to see us back testing it and then making our way up. So all in all, things looking fine for Polygon. Not that much to report on today, but it does seem as though in the long term, as we keep saying, things are going to be completely fine. Like, I mean, we've had a massive parabolic move. We're having a nice little pullback, and yeah, in the long term, probably going to do very, very well. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.